While the way of life would change, the whole investment market, the logic of it doesn't change. So investors should continue to invest their money.
I know we're not in the business of predicting the future, but it's something that I'm sure many investors are thinking of, right? How would you foresee the market for the next 2 to 3 years? And how would you be able to gain confidence from the investors to actually keep pumping in money to your platform?
I think it's a lot about, the time you have to spend in the market and the fact that you can stay invested, right? Looking at the market like 2-3 years from now, at the end of the day, it's a coin toss. So even when we have people who come on our platform, we normally tell them to look at a long-term perspective. And I'll give you a very interesting analogy which might be relevant. If you increase your duration of investment, and if that duration is close to like 10 or 20 years, right, then any rolling period, you will always and always make money, right? So if you have the capacity to stay invested through the market and you can ride it across a period of time, you will always and always make money. The only thing that we suggest on top of it is to manage risk. And the reason why we say it is exactly what happened in the last few months, because even the most prudent and the savviest and the most educated people, if they see a correction in the markets, they end up panicking and they start selling out, right? So my view is stay focused. 2-3 years is a short duration, but over the long run, you will always and always end up making money, and so stay invested.
So let me try to help everyone understand how this whole investment market works. No doubt our way of life would change 2-3 years from now. With COVID and future pandemics, our way of life will certainly change. But bear in mind this, we as people living in this earth, we need to continue to work in order to earn. Money doesn't fall from the sky, right? I wish it happens that way, but it doesn't. So we earn income through our work, and we will continue to demand for goods and services to continue our lifestyle. All these things that we consume makes money for businesses. So companies will continue to make profits, continue to make revenues, and stock prices will continue to move because companies make profits. So in my opinion, while the way of life will change, the whole investment market, the logic of it doesn't change. So investors should continue to invest their money.